Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel / welcome back to another vlog. If you're new here, hello, my name is Bianca and I am a recent teacher grad. I make videos that involve lifestyle, some teaching content, and vlogs. So welcome, and I'm glad you're here today. Today is going to be a vlog day because it is a beautiful and wonderful shining day today. It is so hot outside, so I wanted to make use of the outdoors, the great outdoors. Today is a DIY day, or a DIY with me. If you don't know anything about me, one thing you need to know is I love DIY projects. I love making things, I love painting things, and one thing I really love is making things for my classroom, and I have done that several times. I have had many projects that are waiting to be put in my future classroom. I've like redecorated or like revamped per se a student mailbox. One of my proudest ones is my stools. I've done calendars. I've done lots of things in my future classroom that I'm really excited about, but those times I didn't get to vlog, so I'm really sad about that. But this time I am starting this channel and I'm starting to vlog, so I'm going to bring you along with me. Today I'm going to be working on a rocking chair that I got from Facebook Marketplace. And it's still in pretty good condition. It has a nice white color, but there are some chips on it, so I think I'm going to sand it down and spray paint it, and then I'm going to paint it and make it look super cute for the classroom. I think this is going to be like in a span of a couple of days depending on when the weather is, plus it takes like 24 hours for the spray paint to dry, so I'm going to film for a couple of days in this project. But yeah, this is just a DIY with me vlog, and I'm super excited to film this. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and check out my recent videos, and yeah, let's get started. Hey friends, so I'm out here in the garage now, and I just want to show you quickly what my stools look like. Okay, so this is, don't judge me, but I am in the area of my garage where I have a whole bunch of clutter for my classroom. But anyways, these are the stools that I worked on, so I will insert a picture of the before, and these are the after, and I just painted all of this stuff, and then this is just the tape part. And now I have this rocking chair that I really want to work on. It looks fine from afar, but you have some kind of like chips that I kind of want to fill. So I'm just gonna work on this outside. First step is rubbing alcohol, so you gotta clean this, and then we're gonna sand it. I already laid out, well, I gotta fix that, but I already laid out my little blanket thing there. And then I have microfiber towels, I have this 400 grit sandpaper, and I have my little painting thing, but I won't be painting quite yet because I need to spray paint. Okay y'all, so I don't know if you can hear me, but the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to clean this chair. So I'm going to speed right through this. I just finished sanding, so I'm just going to clean everything again with some rubbing alcohol. Y'all, I am tired.
Don't hesitate to call on me for anything. Like you said, a human being, I'm going to make you take that chance. Things have been different for me ever since I met Hildy. I've never met anyone quite like her before.
Alright guys, I just finished sanding and cleaning it up with alcohol. That was very tiring. But now I'm going to spray paint. But I bought this spray paint. I saw this from a teacher's Instagram. But it's called Rust-Oleum Painter's Touch. And it has paint and primer, and it's just color. It says gloss white, and I don't mind. This was the only one left at Home Depot, and I don't really mind if it's glossy. So I'm just going to do, and it says it's double the coverage. So I think I'm just going to spray it all once, and then we'll see how it goes. Hey everyone, I am done spray painting. It's nice and white. I mean, there's still a little bit of imperfections, like these little things here, but you know, I'm not too picky about it. I just wanted it to be, like, have a really nice base of white. And so far, it's covered, and I'm really happy with it. So I'm just gonna wait until this dries. Hello, hello, hello. It is day 2 of this DIY vlog, or DIY with me. And I'm in my garage. I set up my station here in the garage. Have my paint over there. Have my helper over there. And my whole situation here. I have all my paint ready to go. And my paint brushes. I have my heater because it's a cold day today. And yeah, I'm just going to play some music. I have a reference. I drew up a reference of what I want to paint on my chair right over there. I'm not going to show you that too close because I want to do a little reveal at the very end. But yeah, I'm just going to get to painting. Cue the time lapse. Hello everyone, welcome to day 3 of this DIY with me. I think I'll just give you a little walkthrough. Hopefully that this will be the last day. I'm going to try and finish up the painting, but let me show you what we have so far. I did the things that we need to do. we need to finish up the crayon. And then we need to finish up the glue parts of the handles. We need to finish up the lined paper. I need to draw a ruler over here. But this is pretty much okay. I think I kind of want to add an apple here, but not quite too sure yet. Oh, and then we gotta do the pencil on the bottom, which is gonna be one of the big parts because I have to flip this whole chair over. So maybe this might not be the last day, but yeah, I think I'm just gonna get to work. There is lots to do. There needs to be some drying, but I think the biggest part of my project that I need to finish is the crayons because those require a lot of detail and therefore a lot of time. So I'm just gonna put this camera down and cue in the time lapse. Hi friends, welcome to day, honestly I don't even remember what day this is, day 3 or day 4 of the DIY with me. I am trying to finish this. I thought I would finish it yesterday, day 3 or whatever, but there's a lot of work to be done. But I'm almost finished. I just have a few things left to do. So let me show you what I have done so far. So, okay, so I have done the crayon parts yesterday. Today I have to write the Crayola word on there. And then I'm also going to do the red line that is on the pieces of paper. This is supposed to be lined paper. I got my trusty helper over here. Luna! And then yesterday I put like a ruler, which is not my favorite, but I think it's fine for what I could do with it. And then I really want to start doing the pencil, and that's literally all I have left to do. But you know what? She is looking fantabulous. I am obsessed with my chair. And you know what? Sorry, I am wearing the same clothes as yesterday because this is my painting shirt. So I'm just gonna stop talking and get right into this because she needs to be finished. Cue time lapse. Hi friends, so it has been some time since I last spoke with you or last showed you what I was doing with the chair. I just kind of tried to do some of the finishing touches of the chair, and so I didn't really vlog that. So I just wanted to hop on here to let you know that I had officially finished the chair, and I am super duper proud of it. The things that I didn't show you were the clear coating of the chair to make sure that everything stays in place and that no paint gets chipped off. So that's what I did off of camera, and then I just did some final touches, and I did some B-roll as well as I took some pictures of the chair, and it is absolutely amazing. I spent, I think, a total of like 4 to 5 days on the chair. They're kind of mixed up, but yeah, this vlog is going to be, you'll see, about either 4 or 5 days in total, but it was awesome. I'm super proud of the creation that I have made. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video or this DIY with me. It's something kind of new, something kind of different. So thank you so much for joining me. I am just going to end the vlog or the talking portion of me here, and I'll include the B-roll here for you to see the final product of the chair. It is so amazing, and I hope you guys like it too. So I'm super excited to show you the B-roll, but thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. We are almost at 200 subscribers, and I'm so excited about that. But yeah, thanks for being here. Thanks for joining along on this journey, and I can't wait to film more videos like these for you. Are you scratching? Luna? What are you doing? I'll see you guys later, and now cue the awesome B-roll.